Hello everyone. In this video, we will prepare and then install your Delta Air sensor. Before installing your sensor, you must first connect the battery. Start by removing the cover of the Delta Air by unscrewing the 4 screws with a T20 screwdriver. Next, remove the battery, then plug in the connector, making sure to align the keying tab correctly without worrying about the wire colors. Carefully note the serial number indicated inside the sensor. You will need it later to connect the sensor to the app. Then replace the cover, making sure the O-ring is properly positioned. Press down on the cover, then screw the 4 screws back in without over-tightening. We will now connect your sensor to the FeelBat app. After registering, open the app. Stay close to the sensor. Position yourself within 30 meters in open space to properly receive the Bluetooth signal. You will then be guided step by step to add and configure your first sensor. Please note, to add your Linkfeel token and take advantage of remote connection, you must be connected to the sensor via Bluetooth to activate it. You can refer to the video Add My Linkfeel token available on YouTube or via the link in the description. Now let's move on to installing your sensor on the structure. You can use the provided bracket to mark your reference points. Place the bracket as horizontally as possible, then mark the reference points at the center of the visible grooves. Using a hammer drill and a 10mm bit suitable for the materials, drill at your marked points to a depth of about 6 centimeters. Be sure to thoroughly remove the dust from the holes, for example with a blower bulb. Next, insert the provided anchors into the holes, then drive them in with a hammer. Position the bracket, add the washers and screws, then tighten them with a screwdriver until the anchors are firmly set. Then place your sensor on the bracket and insert the screws into the designated slots. Make sure to orient the sensor correctly. The plus side must face away from the wall. The radio cover must remain in the upright position without being opened. Once the sensor is screwed in, check that it is properly positioned. You can use the instant view in the app to quickly check its alignment. You can now activate data recording. Be sure to reset your data. Your sensor is now connected, configured, prepared, and installed. Wishing you a very successful mission.